What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video on why right now is the perfect time to get into the making money online niche. Now, I know you guys have never heard me say that, ever. Now, normally I tell you guys to stay away from the making money online niche because 99% of people are not serious about making money. Like, it's just that simple. Like, there is no way around it. Literally, 99% of people are not serious about making money. You'll see people with a $100 pair of shoes, on their feet and won't have $100 in the bank. Fucking stupid. You'll see people with $1,000 iPhone and it won't have $1, $10, or even 10% of the cost of an iPhone in their bank account. Again, fucking stupid. But people will do that all day long, live paycheck to paycheck, trying to look rich and all type of stuff. You guys know the spiel. 99% of people are not serious about making money. So I always just say, fuck trying to, do that. Just trying to help them make money. Just sell them what they want. Because they're not going to buy it from you anyway. So, you might as well make some type of money off of them. But right now is kind of a different story. Right now, people are backed into a corner and they are forced, even if they aren't serious about making money, they are forced to have to generate some type of money because their job is shut down indefinitely. They don't want to leave the house because they're scared of catching the coronavirus. So what is their only thing they can do? They have to make money from home. So right now is the perfect time to promote making money online courses, making money, online opportunities, like anything that you don't have to recruit for. I 100% recommend it right now. Because again, when it comes to recruiting, it's not like a course of being an affiliate to a service or product or software or anything along those lines. I'm talking about where you legit have to recruit people to make money. Like when this person joins, then you get paid when this person joins and all that stuff like MCA. I'm not talking about like actual scams or anything. I'm talking like MCA and my econ. Stay away from all of that shit. Just focus on things that are going to be really good at helping people actually make money online where they don't have to recruit. And obviously if you're a business or program or service or whatever it is, has a program or something where they can make money without having to recruit people, by all means. But if they only can make money by recruiting people, don't even waste your time. I'm telling you, you're just going to get a lot of chargebacks, a lot of negative feedback. It's not worth it. But yeah, when it comes to this right here, these people are going to have to be forced to make money because, again, a lot of people, their job is legit just done indefinitely. Just like that, it's over with. People are starting to realize that a job is not secure. It can be taken away at any moment. A job, I don't even know how people thought a job was secure. Like, even if you make it, high up and you start making some decent money, you can still be fired at any moment. Unless you own the company, you're fucking gone. It's over with. You can say the wrong thing to one person, boom, just like that, you're gone. You can get caught on your phone when you're not supposed to, boom, just like that, you're gone. You can get caught, eating on the floor or whatever if you have one of those type of jobs, boom, just like that, you're gone. Eating gum, boom, just like that, you're gone. Like showing up late too many times, boom, just like that, you're gone. A job is not fucking secure in the slightest, right? And all those excuses that a lot of people say, oh, I don't have, other than them having money or whatnot, that still might be an excuse people have. But if they give you an excuse, you guys know me, I'm not convincing anybody to make money. If they want to be broke, let them be broke. But yeah, other than the making money, they don't have the money. All the other excuses should pretty much be gone now because, again, they don't have a job right now. So, they have literally unlimited free time. Like, what else are you going to do? You don't want to leave the house because you don't want to catch the coronavirus. So what are you going to be doing in your house, on YouTube, on your laptop, or, on your phone? You might as well be getting paid, right? So right now, again, is the perfect time to promote, anything online-wise. Again, you guys, like I said before, anything minus recruiting stuff or whatnot. That's just my personal preference. Again, you can promote whatever you want, but I would recommend not promoting things that people have to recruit for and stuff like that. But again, right now is the perfect time because, what else are people going to do? They don't want to leave the house. They don't want to catch the coronavirus. Their job is shut down indefinitely. Even the college, colleges are shut down indefinitely. My little brother, he doesn't have school for I think damn near a month right now, which is crazy as fuck because I remember when the pig flu came out, we still had to go to school. The bird flu came out, we still had to go to school. There was all of these other flus and shit, people was like getting sick left and right. And go, no, you just go into school, you'll be fine. Just go into school, put a little bit of alcohol on it, call it a day. Like this shit right here, 4 people died. Oh, well, we gotta shut down the schools and we gotta, cut down the trees and we gotta, gotta go to the moon and find a cure and we gotta. It's all this stupid shit. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I just want to tell you guys to get started, and the making money online. This is the perfect time because, I mean, you can even do the point of selling it as a marketer. Like, being a marketer is fucking amazing. Like, I don't have to worry about anything. Like, literally nothing. I don't have to worry about any bills. So, like, a lot of people who don't have income right now that's falling behind on their bills and all this stuff. As a marketer, you ain't got to worry about that. Well, I mean, I shouldn't say as a marketer, but as a marketer, you will generate enough money to buy everything in cash so you will no longer have monthly bills, or high monthly bills, I should say, and you'll be perfectly fine. Like, I bought my house in cash, so I don't have rent or mortgage. I can legit just chill for indefinitely. I'm good. So if I had a regular ass job, it wouldn't matter because all I got to do is pay for lights and water, and that's literally nothing every month. I think it cost me maybe a maximum of like $500 a month. So even if I went and got a minimum wage job, which would probably be difficult right now because, I mean, all the jobs are being shut down. But even if I, just went out and raked yards, because, your boy ain't scared of the coronavirus. I mean, that's just me. I mean, people are looking at it like it's a legit death sentence. Like, I mean, how many people really died from this shit? Like, I think it was like last time I checked, there was like almost 65,000 people that recovered from the coronavirus, and like 20 people or something like that died. I mean, that's a pretty big ass difference in ratio. But yeah, guys, right now, being you do the selling point on being a marketer. 1, you're gonna generate enough money to buy all your stuff in cash. 2, you don't have to leave the house. 3, your money comes on autopilot. 4, your own boss. I mean, you guys already know the whole little spiel or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure I missed out on a few different things in this video here, but the gist of it is that right now is the perfect time to start promoting making money online opportunities because, again, people right now are forced to make money. Again, their job is gone. They don't want to leave the house, so they're not trying to go get another job. They're not trying to make side money. They're not doing anything but literally just sitting inside the house. So again, right now, perfect time to get all of those people that have been watching you make money. Maybe, again, if you're promoting the course, throw a little sell up there, something, because again, right now, making money online, it's just absolutely booming. But again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section down below.